Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then click on Got it in the other one. Now you can finally tap on Clean section at the bottom left corner and select Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Allow. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!